Hi children, welcome to the class. Today we will discuss on chapter 16 EVS, who will do this work. In this chapter we are going to learn about a group of people who do only the cleaning work, or why this job was given only to a particular group of people in India. Okay, so let us just see what was happening in the past. In India there was majority were Hindus earlier. So there was caste system prevailed in India. You know what is caste system? Yes, according to the birth, according to their birth, they were divided into four main groups, that is Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. Brahmanas are the people who got what Vedic knowledges. They were treated as higher community. Then come Kshatriyas, they were warriors or do the governing work of kings. They were given higher authority in a country. Then come Vaishyas, they were the merchants who do buying and selling, traders we can say. Then come Shudra, Shudras were the lower class or they were treated as untouchables. They were given only the cleaning job, all the kind of odd works were given to this group of people. So this was a system that prevailed in India, which made the emergence of a community, those who do only the cleaning work. Okay, so before going to the chapter, let us see these kinds of works. In India, we can see in our country, even when we step out of your house, you can see there are a lot of garbages, streets are dirty. Now, whose responsibility is this, children? It is our responsibility also to keep our environment clean. But when we look at this, nobody will do this work. Yes, we feel like it's not my job. I'll clean my house, I'll do my work at home. When we went outside, garbage is all public things, we won't do. But who's making these things dirty? Who's keeping our environment dirty? We human beings only. Yes, so it is our responsibility first not to throw waste on the road, but still some of us still do all this kind of work. And who's doing all this cleaning work? It is done by some group of people who are not that much given education, who are not got an opportunity to study, or their parents are doing this work and they are continuously doing the same kind of work. Okay, in the schools also, in our school also, you can see group of people, they do the cleaning work. They support us, they keep our school neat. In the garden also outside, it's maintained by a group of people. So if people are not there, then what will happen? Yes, the area will be dirty. Yes, so now what we have invented, we invented so many machines also. You can see there are different kinds of machines were invented to clean houses, roads and the streets also. But still people are required. It is our duty first to keep our environment clean. Now let us go to the textbooks. Children, please open page number 147. Who will do this work? Now you can see the different images are given here. Manholes are cleaning, drainages are filled with waste. Have you ever thought of people who do this work? What is our responsibility to keep the place clean? It is, as a citizen of a country, it is our responsibility first not to throw waste on the road or keep our surroundings clean. What do you think people need to do this kind of work? Due to poverty, due to lack of education, people do all these kinds of work. Our friends spoke to some staff who do cleaning jobs. Here are some of the things they told us. So children, you can see a box in page number 148. Since when have you been doing this work? About 20 years since I completed my studies. Maybe that lady has gone to school, only elementary education she received. Why did you not study further? You could have got some other job. Other job means better job, not this cleaning work. You need money for studies, and even after that most of our people continue to do this kind of work. So what she replied, even we need money first to go for higher education, and from our community most of the people are doing this kind of work only. What do you mean? Since our great grandfathers' times or even before that, most people of a community have been doing this work. Even after getting a college degree, our people do not get any other kind of job, so they have to do this work. So they were ill-treated, okay, their dignity, they were not given respect in the society. Why is it that so? That is the way it is. In the entire city, all the people who do this kind of work are from our community. It has always been so. This was an interview from the documentary film India Untouched by Stalin. So there were a group of people, they were called untouchables. They were not given any privileges in the society. They were given only this kind of work, and they were supposed to do this work, and they were known as untouchables. Now talk with people who do the cleaning job around your house and school. Since when have they been doing this work? How much have they studied? Have they tried to look for some other work? Did the elders in their family also do this work? What kind of difficulties do they face in doing this work? So basically what we understand is that these people do the work because they have lack of education, due to poverty, they have very low income, so they have to do some kind of work. That is the main reason nowadays, but earlier the reason was they belonged to a lower community and they were supposed to do these kinds of work only. And there is another picture given, page number 149, children. There are different kinds of jobs as given in small cartoon type. You can see one person cooking, another one is driving a car, some of them are working in office, one painter, one police also you can see, school building you can see the watchman's job, and you can see the market, people cleaning the road, a van driver, cattle rearing is also there. If you were asked to do any 5 jobs shown in this picture, which would you choose? Why? Which 5 jobs would you not choose? Why? So of course you will not, nobody want to do this kind of cleaning work or cattle rearing. I don't think, children, we never say that we want to do cattle rearing or cleaning work or doing that in the market carrying things. So we don't want to do that. Why we don't want to do this? Because we all are educated now, we get better opportunities, better job, better income. Everyone love to do this kind of profession which gives them what? Respect, yes, in the society. So this is about the first topic. Please go through the chapter. In the next topic will be taken in the next class. Before that, we can just see what kind of work or jobs do people not want to do. Why? So who does this kind of work? Why do people do this kind of work that others do not want to do? So we said that 5 jobs, whatever you like. You may be saying doctor, engineer in the office, painter's job. Yes, the different kinds of job you love. Why you are not choosing the other type of jobs? Because you feel it's dirty, okay, it's not good, there is no income, no money is given to those people. There are different reasons, okay. Now what would happen if nobody did this work? If nobody cleared the garbage lying outside your school or your house for 1 week, then what would happen? Of course, the area will be very polluted. It may cause what? Waste to accumulate, bacteria will be there around, there may be spread of diseases, lot of problems may arise. Think of some ways, machines or other things, so that people would not have to do the work they don't like to do. So now next time onwards you can see there will not be people who can do the cleaning work. The next generation, when you people grow up, you have to depend upon what? Different kinds of machines. This kind of machines we have to depend upon for doing the cleaning work. Do you think that anyone has ever tried to change the situation? Yet many people have tried. People are trying even today, but it is not easy to change this. One such person was Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji had a friend, Mahadev Bhai Desai, and his son Narayan also stayed with Gandhiji when he was young. So there is a story given in the box, children, please go through the story. There you can see how Gandhiji was started cleaning job to change the mindset of the people. So about that topic we will discuss in the next class. Thank you children. Have a great day.